Hello friends, welcome once again to my channel, and just like I promised you that I will always make sure that I show you anything I've learned and tried and make sure it's working. So here is another one today, and if you pay attention closely to each and every one of the steps we're going to take today, sure, you are going to enjoy it. Alright, let's get going. So I have it here. This is Naira Workers. If you are in Nigeria, this app is going to work well for you right there. So I'm going to open up this app, so I will show you how it works. So I have www.nairaworkers.com. It opens up. So now, what is it all about? We have Naira Workers is a freelance outsourcing and crowdsourcing platform. We connect clients and freelancers from all over Nigeria. Through our marketplace, client can hire freelance to do work in areas such as promoting on social media, writing, testing, website, data entry, downloading, installing, and testing mobile apps testing mobile apps. And what again? They said go through to watch YouTube videos and taking survey to grow your business and make more money in Nigeria. It has not been easy. So this app is just to help you to make little amount of money to push on your business and just to have enough fun. So just like they say that we have two phases on this app. One of the phases is you can log in as a business owner, or you can log in as a freelancer. So what do you do as a business owner? So what you do as a business owner is to ask this freelance. So a freelance will come, and as a business owner, you will tell them, I need a sign up on my website. I need you to promote content. I need you to install my app on your phone. I need you to subscribe to my YouTube. So you will give him just a little money, and this one at this side will do the job for you. Once the job is done, he just gives you a proof that, okay, look, I've done this work, and you will pay him. So how does it work? This is Mr. Easy. Mr. Easy is the owner of a big business, and he is looking for Mr. Ike to do what? To help him promote this business strategy. So Mr. Easy says, okay, I need someone to like my page. And Mr. Ike says, okay, I'm here to like the page for you. And Mr. Easy said, okay, no problem, go ahead and like it. And when Mr. Ike is done liking the page, he sends a proof to Mr. Easy, and Mr. Easy confirms the proof, and Mr. Ike receives his payment. So that is how it works. So it means this is paying directly to this, and this is receiving directly to this. So what is the work of this website there? So the major work of this website is to connect Mr. Ike to Mr. Easy. So this line here is this website. So it is called Naira Workers. So the major place we are going to face today is the freelance part, which is the Naira Workers. So let's click on it and then start from there. I hope you do understand. Please, if you don't understand anything here, make sure you let me know on the comment box, and I will make sure I let you understand. Just understand and understand, right? Okay, so let's click on register. In case if you want to register, please click on the description menu below, and it will take you to the direct URL to register. Now this is how it opens. It's showing you the same thing it gave you the other time. We have hire random workers and then perform simple tasks. So we are going into perform simple task today, and we click on perform simple task. Now it opens. Now someone is like green as spot, 24 naira. Subscribe to Quality Hope channel on YouTube, 14 naira. We have Pamplay download. We have 78 naira. We have Play Clap, 78 naira. So now it depends on what you want to do for the person, or it depends on the one you want to do. So I will just go ahead to open up this. Subscribe to Quantum YouTube to get more details. And what did they say? What are you expected from the worker? What is expected from the worker? Subscribe to Quantum Hub YouTube channel. Okay, require proof that task was finished. You must show screenshot proof of your subscription. You must naturally love watching videos and be a tech lover. And you must have willingly clicked and watched tech video in the past on YouTube. I pay immediately the work is done. So you do the job, you earn. Wow, looks like a pastor right in here. All right, so what do we need to do next? Let's open this YouTube. I prefer opening in a new tab, just so I can lose my perch. So I also advise you to do that. So now this is it. What did they say we should do? They said we should subscribe. Now, he didn't say like, he didn't say click on the notification button. Make sure you pay attention to details. And because these people, if you don't pay attention to details and if you don't do what they ask you to do, they will not approve and you will not be paid. And you'll get a strike for that. I will show you as we continue. So let's click on these. And this is Quantum Hub. And these are their videos. So they said we should subscribe. Now, this is the subscription button. So we got to click on the subscription button right now. So we click on it. Now it is subscribed. Okay, let's even manage to click on the notification button and make sure it is notified. All right, so we should just take a screenshot of it. This is the screenshot of it. Okay, I'm taking a screenshot right now, and I'm just going to save it. Okay, saving the screenshot now, and it is Quantum Hub. Quantum Hub. So I click on Quantum Hub. Okay, so it's done now. I'll go back to my job details. Remember, he said I should. Okay. I will come here and say I have completed the job. Proof is posted below. All right, so proof is posted below. So what's the next thing we need to do? We just click on choose file. Then remember, where did you save it? Remember, we saved it at this screenshot, and we look for it. So I have all these ones because I've been taking a lot of screenshots, and that is it. So if you're wondering the app I used in taking the screenshot, it is called Lightshot. Let me open my Windows so that you can see it right here. This is how it looks like. So Lightshot, you can just go online and make a download. If you're using a computer, of course I'm using computer, but if you're using phone, I think you should just hold your volume down with your power button together and it will take a screenshot. So if I click on Lightshot, you can download from the website that will pop up. Okay, so this is it, Lightshot for Mac and Windows. So you can just click here and download. When you download, it will work. So that's what you use to take shots if you're using Windows system like mine. So now I have done this. I've completed the job. proof is posted below, and here is the proof. So what do I need to do next? I will just click, and your proof had been submitted and will be verified. So I will be waiting for verification. Once he verifies, then the money will be added. Through your profile, you can go to this place and you see we have 26 works attempted. We have 19 works that were certified. We have 4 that are not certified. We have earned 560 Naira within today, and we have success rate 83%, and we have average earning task of 29.49. All right, so okay, so what next? This rate, the meaning of this is, if you have a strike, like if you have people that are not certified of your work, then this is where it shows. So the number of people that are certified are bigger than the number of people that are not certified. So I have 83% strike. Here is where you can update your account, username, and the rest of them. So I can click on these update information, and I'll have first name, last name, date of birth, phone number, and then I will have my account updated here for payment. To see more available jobs, you can click here for available job. That's after you might have finished taking a job in your dashboard. We've touched dashboard, we've touched profile, and here we are in available jobs. So here is where you can get more jobs to do. Each and every of the job has a price tag, and anyone you've completed, like we've completed this one, it writes done. So if you see done here, it means you've completed that particular work. All right, so what next do we have? We have another one here, and there's a available job, and we have an account. What's right there inside our account? Let's let it open. Okay, so when we talk about business and when we talk about my job, it is for those that are logging into the site as job owners. So you want people to like your page, you want people to promote your social media handles, so you need to click on this business, but we're not going into there now. I'm going to make a different video for this and show you step by step how that one works. So let's click on this task completed so that we can see the reason they had to give us the strike. So now, just like you saw, I had a lot of people, just 4, not a lot of them anyway, that disapproved. Now I have the first disapproval. I was supposed to get a 14 Naira, but he disapproved. And I have a second disapproval. YouTube channel, YouTube subscribe to my channel. So how do we get to see what we did? Let's click on it to see if it opens. So it opens up, and what is his complaint? Haven't watched the video or as stated in the description. But this is the same person I had to even like his pages, and let's view it. Okay, so you can see it was 2 minutes. It was 2 minutes watch. Okay, I watched for 2 minutes. And how many minutes did he ask me to watch? Watch for 2 minutes. That's all. Are you seeing it now? Watch for 2 minutes. That's all. And I posted this to him, and I had a 2 minute watch. Out of 4 minutes, I watched for 2 minutes, and he disapproved it. So what do you do when you have an issue like this? You just click on report. And honestly, I don't want to do any other thing here, because if I do anything, he may be kicked out. So I will just let him be. So I would have just clicked here and then showed them. I would just tell them that I watched and disapproved. So now what is the next? Just show them the proof that you actually watched and disapproved. And once you do that, they will cancel. They may even kick him out from the body. Let's not do that. Now, referrals. How does it work? All right, so we see it. So we have referral link. So we can get it from our profile, just like we saw in the other side. How do I earn commissions, bring new members, and earn when they deposit and when they work. Passive income, yes. Okay, so all these questions are here for your referral. So how do I get to see my referral? In case if someone say, oh, I have referred, I have used your link to register. I have all these workers. Unfortunately, none of them are working. Okay, I think I have one person who have just worked and 190, and I have 9 as the 5% of his work. Okay, I have a recent worker. So all these ones are not working. Actually, they have not earned anything. I have Uto. Uto actually deposited. Okay, Uto made a deposit of 500. Is it a deposit? Yes, a deposit of 500, and I earned 25 Naira from the deposit. Apart from that, others are not working. Okay, so that is it for account, and then we go to our wallet. What is right there in our wallet? In case you would want to deposit as a business owner, you don't need to deposit as a worker because you earn as a worker. So fund your wallet to post jobs, and on Naira Workers, minimum deposit is 300 Naira. So if you want to deposit to work, or you can earn, convert it to your workers' money. Okay, so we have this work fund. Work fund is the money I pay those people that like my page and visit my site. That is work fund. So what is total task earning? For performing tasks, this is how much I've been able to make within today. So for referring people, I've made just 8 Naira. So what is the pending fund? I have 123 Naira pending, and the total fund is 594 now, not up to 1,000 actually. So now I have this transfer earning. You can transfer part of your earning to workers' fund. So if I just like I have up to 594 Naira.83 Kobos here, I can move it to this place, but I'm not willing to do that right now. And I have another one, transfer referral bonus. So I have referral bonus of 8.09. I can just click here now to transfer it to my total fund. So I will click here now, transfer, and it's just 8 Naira. So I'll click on transfer and wait for it. This is what I can do now because I need the money. And boom, complete. It was successful. So I have here, this is 0 now, and I have 594, almost getting to 600. So that is what it is all about. So transaction history is where you get history of the transaction you made, when you withdrawn, and the rest of them. Okay, so now there's something I didn't show you, and that is in profile. Okay, and it is all about how to get your referral link copied. So this is your referral link. This is your referral link. So you can just click on copy, and then you post it to anyone you want to post it to. This account started last week. It would have stored May 21. That's for this new account. Post it, and they'll like it. So guys, click
the artificial intelligence
on the registration button and create a new account for yourself, and don't forget to use Maxwell Namex as your referral. Meanwhile, if you don't want to stress yourself going to look for it online, please just go to the description below, and you are going to get to see the link. Click on it, and it will take you directly to where you will register. I mean, it will take you to the genuine site. You don't need to look for the original and the imitation or ads and everything. Make sure you indicate Maxwell Namex as your referral, and so that we keep running. Maybe if you do that and I see that you have added me as your referral, any question you have at all regarding to this and every other way to make money online, I will be here to let you know about it. Please subscribe to my channel if you did enjoy this video, and turn on the notification button, and don't forget to share to your friends.
That's what I wrote there.
Yes,
so
you can share.
These are the smart.
Share to your friends and report if you ever liked it.
These are the smart accounts you can create. You have